Hello and welcome to the 26th tutorial in the HTML Basics tutorial series, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to include a CSS file. The purpose of this tutorial isn't to teach you how to use CSS or any CSS features. It's literally, we've got a CSS file, I'm going to show you how to include that instead of using the style tag and using CSS within that. There'll be a separate tutorial series for CSS which will be coming up the next week or two, so just wait for that and you can learn CSS. This tutorial assumes you've done tutorial 1. If you haven't, there'll be a link in the description to the source code, and as usual there'll be a link in the description to the source code produced from this tutorial. Then go ahead and open up the web page in text editor and see I've got a CSS file. Open a text editor and let's open it again. Yeah. What I'll do is I'll actually open both of them so I can see the CSS file as well. I'm just going to colour the text red. Like I said, the purpose of this tutorial isn't to teach you CSS, it's to include this file, because generally you'll probably extract CSS and JavaScript, put into their own file so you can reuse them on several pages instead of having to duplicate code. And in the head tag you put link, then you put rel, so relationship equals quotation marks, and inside there you put style sheet because that's what it is. Put type equals text / CSS, then you put href and you just link the file. The href could be a website URL. Generally, unless it's something like JavaScript or jQuery, some other third-party library, even then I would recommend downloading it. But then, if it's a big one and you know that link won't change and it'll stay online and it won't just go down, then that's not much of an issue. Putting a website URL there. Also remember, if you were to put this within a folder, for example, you might put it within a CSS folder. You need to make sure you put CSS / I'm only putting index.css because it's in the same folder. So if I just run this, what you'll get is a body with some text that is red. And what I'll demonstrate is I'll literally just quickly delete this code, go back to my web page, refresh, and then the text is black. I'll just put that back in, but there you go. It's as easy as that to include a CSS file. In the next tutorial, I'm going to look at including a JavaScript file, which is very similar. Thanks for watching.